Les adjectifs démonstratifs.
What are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjectives are words used to indicate and specify nouns by pointing to them. They help provide clarity and context. They are equivalent to the English words this, that, these, and those.
Type d'adjectif démonstratif.
There are 4 primary demonstrative adjectives in French, which vary based on gender and number.
Ce,
This, that, masculine singular. Example.
ce garçon.
This boy.
Cette,
This, that, feminine singular. Example.
cette fille.
This girl.
Ces,
These, those, plural for both genders. Example.
ces livres.
These books.
Cette,
This, that, masculine singular, used before a vowel or silent, h. Example.
cet homme.
This man. Examples.
Cette voiture est belle.
This car is beautiful.
Ces livres sont intéressants.
These books are interesting.
Cet ami est intelligent.
This friend is smart. Gender and number agreement. Demonstrative adjectives agree in gender, masculine, feminine, and number, singular, plural, with the noun they modify. Examples.
Ce garçon est grand.
This boy is tall.
Cette fille est gentille.
This girl is kind.
Ces garçons sont grands.
These boys are tall.
Ces filles sont gentilles.
These girls are kind. Emphasis. You can use demonstrative adjectives for emphasis. For instance,
Ce livre est intéressant.
this book is interesting. Places emphasis on the specific book being referred to. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives can sometimes be accompanied by nouns or pronouns.
Celui,
This one, that one, masculine singular.
celle,
This one, that one, feminine singular.
ceux,
These ones, those ones, masculine plural.
celle,
These ones, those ones, feminine plural. Demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives are used to modify nouns, while demonstrative pronouns replace nouns. Examples.
cette robe est belle.
Demonstrative adjective modifying robe.
Celle-ci est belle.
Demonstrative pronoun replacing robe. Demonstrative adjectives in questions. Demonstrative adjectives can be used in questions to ask about specific items. Examples.
Quelle chemise préfères-tu?
Which shirt do you prefer?
Quel film veux-tu voir?
Which movie do you want to watch?
Point à retenir.
Gender agreement. Ensure that the demonstrative adjective matches the gender of the noun it modifies. Number agreement. Match the demonstrative adjective with the number, singular or plural, of the noun. Demonstrative adjectives versus pronouns. Understand the difference between using adjectives to modify nouns and pronouns to replace them. Common mistakes. Be careful with gender and number agreement to avoid incorrect usage. Remember to use set before a vowel sound, even if the noun is masculine.